Alright, in this problem we've got two people walking, Pierre and Nicole. They start at the same place. And they're going to walk away from each other at some unknown angle. And we know that Nicole runs twice as fast. So if we call Pierre running at some velocity, Nicole's running at twice that velocity, and they are running for 2 hours. So the distance that they go is 2 times their velocity. So Pierre is going to run 2v and Nicole's going to run 4v. And we know that after those 2 hours have passed, that they're 12 miles apart. What we're trying to figure out is the angle that they ran apart from each other. So we're trying to find out, what is that angle? Well, there's an unknown here, which is how far they went, what is their velocity, but this problem gives us an additional piece of information that says, had they run in the same direction. So had they gone just straight, here's Pierre and Nicole, had they just run like this, we know that Nicole's going to go twice as far because she's running twice as fast. So 2v for 2 hours, again she's running 4v, and Pierre is running v for 2 hours, so he runs 2v. We know that had they run in the same direction, the distance that they would have been apart would have been 5 miles. So we know that this distance would have been 5 miles had they run in the same direction. So we know that 4v minus 2v equals 5, or 2v equals 5, v equals 2.5. That's their velocity. Now that we know their velocity, we can find the distance that they each went. So Pierre ran 2v, so he ran 5 miles. Nicole ran 4v, so she ran 10 miles. So now I know side, side, side. I'm trying to find an angle, so I can use the law of cosines. And the law of cosines tells me that that angle, theta, equals cos inverse of the opposite side, 12 squared, minus each side squared, 5 squared, minus 10 squared, all over negative 2, 5 times 10. So I'm just using the law of cosines here. Just using the law of cosines. And we get that that angle, theta, equals 100.95 degrees.